be fun when we go out there tomorrow and see who can really golf and who's chopping at woods.
Stop! Keep that on there.
Oh, I'm definitely keeping it on there.
Oh! He walked like Charles Barkley. There it is. That's what high. Get in there. There it is. Hey, man. What takes this for you right here?
Top golf. Yeah, I'm a golfer. Well, at least I try to be. But I'm excited for that. And just, just the activities we do. They're a blast.